Yo, what's good, fam? Drop everything you're doing right now because we're about to pop the seal on the happiest, most addictive watch of 2025. Welcome back to Tick vs. Tock, the channel where we prove you don't need a second mortgage to have insane risk game. Today, we're going full nostalgia overdose with the Timex Peanuts Q Timex Chronograph, the TW2Y45300. $289, that's it. Less than a tank of premium gas and a couple of overpriced burgers, and you get a sold-out everywhere, internet-breaking, smile on your face every time you glance down piece of pure joy. First touch out of the box, and you already know this thing is special. The case is 40 millimeters of brushed and polished stainless steel that somehow feels both chunky and light at the same time, like it deadlifted this morning but still does yoga. The lugs curve down perfectly, the 20-millimeter bracelet tapers smooth, and the fold-over clasp snaps shut with that expensive thunk you normally only hear on watches that cost triple digits more. Quick-release spring bars, too, so you can throw it on a NATO or leather strap in literally 10 seconds when you want to switch vibes. But let's talk about that dial, because this is where your inner 8-year-old loses his mind. Deep ocean blue sunburst that shifts color like a mood ring on caffeine. Light hits it, and it goes from midnight navy to electric cobalt in half a second. Raised applied indices catch every ray like they're showing off on purpose. Gold tone Q Timex logo up top. Vintage script, the whole 1970s racer fancy. Then you spot the subdials, and it's game over. 3 o'clock, Woodstock, mid-tweet, little yellow beak wide open like he just heard the craziest gossip. 9 o'clock, Snoopy doing the happiest little happy dance on top of his doghouse, paws in the air, pure serotonin. And at 6 o'clock, the running seconds is an actual comic panel. Lucy yanking the football away while Snoopy eats it midair, classic good grief wipeout frozen forever. Every time the seconds hand sweeps past Lucy's smug face, you can practically hear the trombone wah wah wah. The details are stupidly good. Tachymeter ring in matte aluminum with that perfect 70s font, domed acrylic crystal that gives everything that warm vintage bubble look. Scratches? Yeah, it'll pick some up, but 5 minutes with Polywatch and it's brand new again. Lume is legit too. Bright blue glow that actually lasts past the first hour. Way better than most Quartz watches at 10 times the price. Movement is a rock-solid Timex Quartz chronograph with that cool battery hatch on the case back. Swap the SR927W yourself in 30 seconds. No jeweler, no drama. Accuracy is scary good. I've had mine running plus 1 second over a full week. Pushers have that crisp, mechanical click even though it's quartz. Super satisfying to start and reset the chrono. On wrist, it's magic. 40 millimeters wears like it was custom made for pretty much any size. I've got a 7-inch wrist and it's perfect. My buddy with 6.25-inch wrists rocks it just as hard. The way the domed crystal distorts the chapter ring at sharp angles makes it look like a $2,000 piece when the light hits right. I've had strangers stop me in Target asking, "Yo, is that the new Omega Snoopy?" And then their jaw drops when I tell them it's $290 from Timex. Real talk? This watch is the ultimate IYKYK flex. Watch nerds see the Q case, the tachymeter, the funky subdials, and instantly get it. Normal people just see a super clean blue chrono and think you've got taste. Then they spot Snoopy dancing and lose their minds all over again. I threw it on everything this past week. Suit for a wedding, gym shorts and a hoodie, flannel at the brewery, even slept in it because I forgot to take it off. Never once felt out of place. Timed my coffee pour with the chrono, 28 seconds for the perfect bloom. Thank you very much. Used the tachymeter to figure out how fast my dog was sprinting after a squirrel, roughly 19 miles per hour, legend. And yeah, I definitely checked the time in a dark movie theater just to watch Woodstock glow. Look, if you grew up with Sunday newspaper comics, if you ever taped a Snoopy bandage on a scraped knee, if you secretly still say good grief when life pulls the football away, this watch is going to hit you right in the feels. And if you didn't grow up with Peanuts, doesn't matter. You're still getting one of the coolest, most wearable chronographs on the planet for under $3. This thing sold out in hours the first 2 drops. Restocks disappeared just as fast, and flippers on eBay are already asking $600–700. Don't be the person paying double in 6 months because you slept on it. Final score, straight 9.5 out of 10. Loses half a point only because acrylic scratches easier than sapphire. But honestly, those tiny hairlines are battle scars that make it look even more vintage. Everything else, design, build, vibe, happiness per dollar, is off the charts. Go grab yours on Timex.com right now before they're gone again. Link in the description. Turn on notifications because I'm calling it. This is the watch of the year for anybody who refuses to take life too seriously. Snoopy's already dancing on my wrist, and I'm not taking this thing off anytime soon. See you in the comments. Let me know if you copped one and which Peanuts character you relate to the most. Until next time, keep it ticking, keep it talking, and never let Lucy pull that football on you. Peace.